So I shall now demonstrate my highly unorthodox but useful technique for putting these hubcaps, I should call them wheel covers, back on without denting them. Here it goes. Alright, this is unrehearsed and I'm wearing great clothes. I've been working on my car. So first thing is, line the valve stem hole up appropriately. It's best also to put a towel down here just in case this falls off. You don't have any issues. Now, one method would be to tap all the way around the rim. Then this thing kind of dances this way, dances that way, dances that way. Here's the other way. Sit yourself up against a firm wall. Put your feet on here and push. There you go. Check for gaps. Hold your hand on the center of the hubcap. Check again. It's tight. It's on. Done. Repeat. It's the only way I've found not to dent the sides for this style of hubcap that is very, very hard to get on with these clips. This will work on Fords, GMs, and everything else. You do have to, remove your shoe scuff marks, but I have just a soft-soled shoe. It's not going to hurt anything. Best way I know of to get these tricky hubcaps on and off without denting them. Thanks.